Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Google Pixel 7a device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable Force 90 Hz mode. So our device has the 90 Hz mode, so to enable it we need to open settings, then find here display and scroll down and find here smooth display. And as you can see here, we have automatically raised the refresh rate from 60 to 90 Hz for some content. Increases battery usage, of course. But as you can see, it's automatically mode. But I want to use always 90 Hz. Of course, I know that it will be faster, drain my battery, but I want to use 90 Hz. And I don't have the opportunity to do it in normal display mode. To do it, we need to scroll down in the settings and find here about phone. Scroll down, find here build number and click on it 7 times. And as you can see, you are developer now. Go back, find here system, scroll down and here you will see developer options. Open it and scroll down and find here wait a while. We need to find here 90 Hz, always 90 Hz or something in this multi. So USB debugging, wireless debugging, disable ADB, bug report. Oh, okay. Force peak refresh rate is here under the allow screen overlays. So enable force peak refresh rate and highest refresh rate for improved touch responsiveness and animation quality, increases battery usage. We know about it, of course. That's great. That's it for about so Bluetooth. Okay, so here we have only another settings, and now I just suggest you to enable animation scale 1 and 5x, and in this way our animations will be smoother, but it will be still fast. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.